Hey everyone, it's your favorite doctor here. As winter approaches, it's time to talk about the 8 essential medical items every senior should have before January. Cold and flu season, unexpected weather, and managing chronic conditions all make preparation crucial, especially for seniors. The right supplies at home can prevent minor issues from becoming emergencies and give you peace of mind. No more last-minute pharmacy runs in a snowstorm. Let's build your winter health toolkit. I'll break down each item, why it matters, and share pro tips for using them. Grab a notepad and get ready to take charge of your health this winter. Let's dive into the essentials for a safe, confident season. First up, prescription medications. These are more than just pills. They're a crucial part of your daily routine, especially during the winter months when health risks can increase. Managing your medications properly can make all the difference in keeping chronic conditions under control and preventing complications. These are your lifeline for managing chronic conditions like hypertension, diabetes, or heart disease. Taking your medications as prescribed helps you avoid unnecessary trips to the hospital and keeps you feeling your best, even when the weather outside is harsh. Always keep at least a 30-day supply on hand. Winter storms or illness can make pharmacy trips impossible. If you're snowed in or feeling unwell, you'll be glad you planned ahead. Running out of medication can quickly become a serious issue, so don't wait until the last minute. Ask your doctor or pharmacist about a 90-day supply if your insurance allows. It saves time and stress. Use a pill organizer to avoid missed or double doses. Setting up your medications for the week in advance can help you stay on track, especially if you take several different prescriptions. Keep an up-to-date medication list with dosages and reasons for each. One copy with your meds, another with a trusted contact. This list is vital in emergencies. If you ever need to visit a new doctor or go to the hospital, having this information ready can save precious time and prevent dangerous mistakes. Store medications in a cool, dry place, never the bathroom. Humidity can damage pills and reduce their effectiveness. Set a calendar reminder to refill before you run out. And check expiration dates regularly to make sure your medications are still safe to use. Being proactive with prescriptions is the foundation of winter health. Don't let a missed dose become a crisis. Use phone alarms or apps to remind you when it's time to take your meds, and ask a family member or friend to check in if you ever feel overwhelmed. Organize, store, and track your meds now. Your future self will thank you. Talk to your healthcare provider about optimizing your medication routine. And don't hesitate to ask questions if you're unsure about anything. Good communication can help you avoid side effects and interactions. Stay ahead. Stay healthy. This is your first and most important step. Taking charge of your prescriptions today means you can enjoy peace of mind all winter long. Next, stock up on over-the-counter pain relievers like acetaminophen, Tylenol, or NSAIDs, ibuprofen, naproxen. These help manage headaches, muscle aches, and fevers, common in winter. Always use the type your doctor recommends, especially if you have kidney, heart, or stomach issues. Never exceed the recommended dose. Acetaminophen can harm your liver. NSAIDs can affect your stomach and blood pressure. Check expiration dates and store them safely. OTC meds are real medicine. Know the risks and benefits. Preparation and communication with your doctor are key. Keep the right pain reliever on hand so you can manage minor ailments at home. Avoid unnecessary trips to the doctor or pharmacy. Stay comfortable and safe all season. A well-stocked first aid kit is a must for every home, especially for seniors. Include assorted bandages, sterile gauze, medical tape, antiseptic wipes, and antibiotic ointment. Add elastic bandages for sprains, instant cold packs, and a heating pad for aches. Don't forget scissors, tweezers, and disposable gloves. Hydrocortisone cream and calamine lotion help with rashes and itching. Store everything in a clearly marked, accessible container. Check your kit every 6 months. Replace expired or used items. A ready kit lets you handle minor injuries quickly, preventing complications. Customize your kit for your needs. Keep it easy to find in an emergency. A little preparation goes a long way. Stay ready, stay safe. An automatic blood pressure monitor is essential for seniors. Hypertension is a silent risk that often goes unnoticed until it causes serious health problems. High blood pressure can lead to heart attacks, strokes, and kidney issues, so regular monitoring is crucial, especially as we age. Home monitoring gives you accurate day-to-day readings and helps your doctor adjust your treatment. By tracking your numbers at home, you can spot trends and changes early, making it easier to manage your health and avoid sudden complications. Choose an upper arm model with the right cuff size for your arm. A proper fit ensures accurate readings, so don't hesitate to ask your pharmacist or doctor for help selecting the best device for you. Bring your monitor to your doctor's office to check its accuracy against professional equipment. This step helps you trust your readings and ensures you're getting reliable information at home. Learn the correct technique. Sit quietly for a few minutes. Keep your feet flat on the floor and rest your arm at heart level. Avoid caffeine, exercise, or smoking at least 30 minutes before measuring. Take 2 readings, a minute apart, and record the average. Keeping a log helps you and your doctor see the bigger picture over time, not just a single reading. Know your target range, and when to call your doctor if your numbers are too high or too low. Understanding your goals is key to staying healthy. Consistent tracking empowers you to manage your health and make informed decisions. It also helps you notice patterns related to medication, diet, or stress. Early detection can prevent serious complications and give you peace of mind. The sooner you catch changes, the better your chances of avoiding emergencies. Invest in this simple tool. It could save your life and help you stay independent longer. A small step today can make a big difference for your future. Share your readings with your healthcare team so they can support you and adjust your care as needed. Communication is vital for effective management. Take control of your blood pressure this winter. Your health is in your hands, and every reading brings you closer to a healthier, safer season. For anyone living with diabetes or even pre-diabetes, a blood glucose monitor is absolutely non-negotiable. It's not just a device, it's your daily companion in managing your health and staying ahead of potential problems. Checking your blood sugar is the only way to know if your levels are in a safe range, especially when you might not feel any symptoms. High or low blood sugar can sneak up on you, so regular monitoring is essential for peace of mind. By checking regularly, you can make smart adjustments to your meals, physical activity, and medication in real time. This helps you avoid dangerous spikes or drops and keeps your energy steady throughout the day. Always bring your logbook or meter data to appointments. Sharing this information with your healthcare team helps them tailor your care and spot trends before they become issues. Modern glucometers are designed to be user-friendly, with clear displays and simple instructions. If you're unsure, don't hesitate to ask your doctor or pharmacist for a demonstration. They're there to help you feel confident. Make sure you have plenty of test strips and lancets on hand, especially before winter, or any time you might have trouble getting to the pharmacy. Running out can put your health at risk. Always check the expiration dates on your supplies. Using expired strips or lancets can give inaccurate readings, which could lead to dangerous decisions. Organize your supplies in a place that's easy to access, and double-check your stock before storms or holidays. Don't let yourself run out when you need them most. Consistent monitoring helps prevent emergencies like hypoglycemia or hyperglycemia, and reduces the risk of long-term complications such as nerve damage, vision loss, or heart problems. For those at risk, seeing your numbers can be a powerful motivator to make healthy changes, like going for a walk or choosing a balanced meal. This small device truly has a big impact on your health and independence. Stay vigilant, stay healthy, and let your blood glucose monitor be your guide to a safer, more confident life. Every home needs a digital thermometer. Fever is often the first sign of infection. Seniors may not spike high fevers, so any temperature above your normal is important. Digital thermometers are fast, safe, and easy to read. Oral models work well for most adults. Learn to use yours correctly. Wait 15 minutes after eating or drinking before taking your temperature. Clean the thermometer before and after use. Keep spare batteries handy. A thermometer gives you objective info for your doctor. Don't guess. Know your numbers. It's a simple tool that can guide your next steps. Make it part of your winter health kit. Personal protective equipment, masks, gloves, and hand sanitizer are winter essentials. High-quality masks, surgical, KN95, N95, protect you in crowded spaces or when caring for someone sick. Disposable gloves are useful for cleaning or caregiving. Always wash hands after removing gloves. Hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol is a must for on-the-go germ protection. Keep bottles at home and in your bag. Use sanitizer after touching public surfaces and before entering your home. Stock up before you need them. Don't wait until someone's sick. PPE helps prevent the spread of viruses in your home and community. Simple steps, big protection. Stay prepared, stay healthy. Mobility aids and incontinence supplies are vital for many seniors. Check canes, walkers, and rubber tips for wear. Replace as needed for safety on icy surfaces. Consider ice gripping attachments for extra stability. Stock at least a month's supply of incontinence products. Don't risk running out in bad weather. Include barrier creams and gentle wipes for skin care. Proper supplies prevent falls, skin issues, and anxiety. Take inventory now and restock before winter hits. Plan for your personal needs. Comfort and dignity matter. Don't let a lack of supplies limit your independence. Stay mobile, stay confident. Preparation means peace of mind. You deserve safety and comfort all season. That's your essential winter health checklist for seniors. Review your supplies, check expiration dates, and restock now. Talk to your doctor or pharmacist to personalize your plan. Share this video with friends and family who could benefit. Proactive steps today mean a safer, healthier winter. Subscribe for more evidence-based health tips. Stay safe, stay healthy, and see you next time.